Hello, hello, hello. So, how are you today? Uh, Today topic is like a very maybe you are aware of this or maybe you were are not. But uh, today's topic is about why everyone's want to seem like an expert. Like why want everyone to like they want other to show them that they know each and everything. As I had seen a lot of peoples, okay, a lot of peoples, and I had experience with my friends too. Some I will not say the name, but some people in my friend group, they just say that if even they don't know, they will say that I know that thing, I don't know about that thing. Like they will say this is wrong, this is right, and don't choose that, don't choose that. Like that thing, they will give their opinion to just prove that they know about this thing. And why they don't say that I don't know about this, I had no idea. But they will, if they have not any idea, they will not say that I don't have any idea related to this. They will say that I had done this or you have to do this. I had, like, they don't want to accept that they don't know. And I don't know why it is like that. I think like in social media, if you are posting 30-second reels, okay, I also do post in social media in Instagram, and people will just see your 30 second of your life, and they will just say that you this they will make you they will make up thoughts, a lot of thoughts regarding you. They will judge you, they will say that you should not do this, rather than that not like they hadn't done that thing which you are doing, but they will just give their opinions. If he or she is somewhere living in a shed or something in a tin shed, but they will give their opinions. Like they don't want that. Like what I want to say that is ki they will say what they want, but they don't know you. They don't even know about your life, they don't even know about your current situation, they don't know everything. What they know is ki they have to say anything regarding you, they have to like give opinions regarding that. And I don't know, but I don't know why they do, but I have also done this. Not now, but past many years I had also done this. You know what the strange thing is? Like everyone have an opinion. That is like it is very easy to have any opinions in your mind, but it is harder to understand someone, to understand someone's opinion. Like in today's world, everyone is running somewhere. They just don't want to listen, but they just want to talk. What I'm doing right now, I'm talking and you were listening. But you, though although you do have a lot of thought, but you can't you can reach me by your thought by commenting, but still you are listening. If you are watching this video, you are listening, but a lot of people, they don't want to listen. And this is also lacks a real conversation. Like if everyone wants to just talk about something, then who will be the listener, who will be a good listener? And for me, I think, from my opinion, today a great listener is much more like aware or much more intelligent than who is just speaking out random things and just want to spit city bullshits and all, something like that. I just don't want to use these types of. What does you have to understand my talks? Don't say that I am also talking like this. Like, see, I am not talking. I am not saying that no one should have their opinions. Their opinions, they must have. They will have. But just don't. You don't know about someone life, about someone current life, about someone past life, and you can't just talk about them, give opinions to them to do this, do that. I'm just saying, just you must have opinions. Opinions are great.